Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. This is how to make super crispy stuffed cabbage rolls stuffed with cheese and smoked turkey. I use savoy cabbage because I like the texture of those leaves for this recipe and just cut out the hard core for your cabbage. This makes it much easier to separate out those leaves later on, and it makes it much easier to wash each individual layer of cabbage. When your cabbage has been cored and washed, place it core side down into a large pot. Sprinkle your cabbage with a good amount of salt and then fill your pot with plenty of boiling water. And you want to let it simmer on a medium heat. You might find it easier to place a plate down on top of your cabbage just to help it sit below the water. Let your cabbage simmer for approximately 7 to 8 minutes or until the leaves are soft and tender. Be careful not to overcook them. And place the individual leaves into a bowl of very cold water to prevent them cooking further. Then cut out the hard stems for your cabbage leaves, which will make it much easier to roll your cabbage, and pat each of your leaves dry. Fill your cabbage with your favourite deli meat and cheese. I used smoked turkey and gouda. And roll your cabbage rolls tightly and place them seam side down to prevent them unrolling again. It might help to use some toothpicks to secure them, but unfortunately I didn't have any. Then you want to set up your breading station with seasoned flour, breadcrumbs and well-beaten eggs. Coat your cabbage rolls in that seasoned flour first, shaking off any excess. The flour will really help your beaten egg to adhere properly. Shake off any excess egg and then dip your cabbage rolls into your breadcrumbs, making sure your cabbage rolls are very well coated and you're really pressing those breadcrumbs in. Dip your cabbage rolls back into your beaten egg and then back into your breadcrumbs, making sure again you really press it in. A second layer of breadcrumbs is going to make sure your cabbage rolls get really crispy and crunchy and help to prevent any of those fillings leaking out. Fry until golden and crisp on both sides. I served my cabbage rolls with a garlic and sour cream dip, and that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell. Thank you for watching.